Better.
Can I have all you officers' badge numbers for my record, please?
Mm-hmm. You already got mine and Officer Cron's. His is 84.
What was yours again?
88.
88. And who's the one you just... 84 is who?
Officer Latham.
Okay, thank you. Sharina Smith, case 19-CI. Susie Smith, Sharina Smith versus Commonwealth of Kentucky, Elizabethtown Police Department, case 19-CI 1000 versus Ken Howard. Divorce summons. Golf construction, deed forever peasants to the land. Fraudulent deed by Rachel. And in the John Ward's Hardin County Clerk's office. I've already checked the documentation. We'll be putting it on the docket tomorrow. My license is being recorded. Citation is being printed. So it'll be a follow-up tomorrow. Badge numbers, police officers. Got a complaint coming. Uniform citation by somebody wearing a golf construction t-shirt. Construction started with Melanie Nash September 2nd, 2019 with golf construction. City attorney signed with, what was that, a construction vehicle right in front of City Hall's pipeline. Occupational license for temporary permit, license to be able to protect my property and defend. AOC 280, attorney of record, Sharina Smith, 1313 Farmingdale Drive, Apartment A, Elizabethtown, Kentucky, 42701. Other parties, Susie Smith, divorce summons versus Commonwealth of Kentucky. Putting it on the docket tomorrow, January 07/12/2020 at Hardin County Justice Center. And where John Ward is, no badge number for the summons and complaint, serving Susie and Sharina Smith for Farmingdale LLC for the real estate Ken Howard owns. Registered agent Chris Carter, Michael D. Poley at Fleck Firm. Personal injury, title Ms. Howard versus Sharina Smith's case title. Versus Riddick's Law Firm, Elizabethtown, Louisville, Kentucky, Christopher Bush, acting as the Commonwealth attorney for Kentucky's attorney, representing Ken Howard, default judgment. Preparing a case. This is what they dragged you into, Mama. They're going to explain it to you tomorrow. Once I actually get it on the docket.
This has nothing to do with your mom.
I know.
You're the only one getting the citation.
I know. I was already in court. That's what it has been. I'm just putting my notes for myself for court tomorrow. Putting it on the docket. It's already been in court, so that's why.
What does this citation mean?
She's going to be charged with menacing because she came at the gentleman with a knife and.
What's his name? It'll be on the citation?
It'll be in the report.
In the report, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. He works for who?
The construction company.
Which is golf construction, right?
I guess.
Okay, I didn't know who he works for then. If you don't mind, I don't need to speak to him. Can you ask who he works for? Who he's representing? Because he talked to me that's why he was talking to me crazy. I have documentation of that before I even came out there. So I need to know who he works for because I didn't get that. I spoke to Nolan, the guy. He was very sweet before I was even out there like that. Mm-hmm. He talked to me crazy, which made me want to protect myself. Now that I'm calm. And I don't know who he is. He has no ID or anything.
Approaching you.
He did approach me. He did approach me first.
To protect oneself.
He did approach me first.
It would be a moot point because if nobody's coming at you, what's the need to protect yourself if nobody's encroaching?
Can I just have who he's representing, who he works for? That's all.
I don't know the construction company.
Can you ask?
Well, he's not over here for me to ask, is he? I'm standing by until the officer gets you the citation.
I know. I'm saying when I get the citation, can we find out who he represents? That's all I was saying. Okay. That's it. I know you have to stay.
As far as the company he represents, that's not really.
That's for me.
A piece for here because he's the victim in the ministry.
Okay, I'm asking.
Who is he? With a knife for no reason.
I want to know. I just want to know who he works for.
Oh, I don't know.
I was hoping we could find out. I mean, he's
still. Who's ever building the fourplexes behind here?
Okay. Well, I have a golf construction T-shirt, so I mean, even if I don't find out, they're already attached to the land forever. As far as the mortgage agreement with Ken Howard at the real estate at Farmingdale LLC.
You'll remain here to pay rent month to month until they sell the places, or?
Yes.
Well, actually, we were trying to give the property manager because we don't know what's going on with it. But I called. They
Trust me, if these go up for sale and they sell, they will give you notice. If either you need to move out or if the people who have bought it
Okay.
are going to allow you all to remain and then collect rent from you all.
Okay.
But that'll be, trust me, they'll give you all well in advance notice if that's going to happen, if you all need to vacate the premises or if you all have to, will continue paying what you normally pay or if they're going to be a new lease agreement. I imagine if they're new people owning it, they'll probably want a new lease agreement. And you'll probably get notified way before that, so you all have a determination whether or not you all want to move out or continue living here and sign a new lease agreement.